It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from a red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it.
I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about, 'cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs crying 'cause you weren't around. And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me down. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yet today I drove through the suburbs, 'cause how could I ever love someone else? And I know you're perfect, but I never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. I guess you and me, what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street, and all my friends are 10 minutes later. I guess I didn't have any money today. I guess I'll just go to the house. And I almost got hit by the car, but it's fine. So I'm just going to my house. But first, let's stop for some food, okay? Let's go. I guess I'll get burger and some water like I usually do. Let's get takeout. You can't take it away from me. I'm homeless. Wahoo. I always have to do that, and it's fine. Let me just get my apartment. Okay, I guess I'll just sit on the couch and eat then. Yum 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 yum. Goop 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 goop. I guess I'll just, what should I do next? I guess I'll just go in the bathroom and take my shower, 'cause I love taking a good, amazing shower. La da 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 da, la da da da, la da da, la da, la da 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 da, la da da da. I'm all done. Now let's brush our teeth really fast, and I don't need to use the toilet, so I guess I'll just go to sleep. Good night. This was episode 1. Go and check out episode 2. Bye. Sing for love.